Hello guys. Hello everyone. How are you all doing? Yeah. We have been enjoying my husband's birthday. Yes. We have been enjoying it, visiting all the family, friends and having fun. So today we are going to be going to a family gathering, a picnic, where we're going to be meeting all our family members. It's going to be very fun. They already told us that they have a lot of African delicacies, which we'll be showing you guys. So you all, we are heading towards the direction now. I'll let you guys see, but I just want to make a quick intro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. So guys, we are here already at the venue, and it's such a place to be. You know that feeling when you meet family, friends and loved ones. It makes you so excited. Here are my sisters, co-wives, and my uncles. You know, this is Mbano gathering, and the very first time we are coming out to, be with them. Like, we've been having meeting online since the COVID, and this is the first time since COVID that we are coming out to meet them. And it's my husband's birthday also, so my husband is so happy to be here, for real. Like, this was one of my aunties and my uncles, and this is one of our sister, and then we're just trying to catch up with each other. These are my uncles. I mean, it's so pleasing when you be around people who love you and you love them. It gives joy, So this my sister here, she's telling me that why should I be late? That is coming back from Chicago, because she went to work. She's a doctor, so she went to work, and she came all the way from Chicago to the venue, and she was questioning me, why would I be coming late, and she that is coming all the way from Chicago is here already. So I told her it was GPS, because honestly we thought we would have been here earlier before now. And trust me, she was giving me the question that, when your aunties give you question, and I was just trying to defend it. And me, we're already in Atlanta, so why should I be coming late? Yeah, that was because we didn't leave on time anyways, and then GPS took us to different places. We were just trying to locate the venue, but honestly we really enjoyed it. I mean, the party, the picnic, well, would you say it's a party? Well, it's a picnic actually. So we enjoyed ourselves for real. We were so happy we came. That's my uncle right there. I mean, I've been hearing so much about him, and I'm meeting him for the first time. I was just jumping up like a baby. You know that feeling when you meet an uncle that you've been hearing so much pleasant things about. I mean, that made me started jumping like a little baby. Don't mind me. If you see me when I'm jumping up like a little baby, you will know that something is making me happy, So I'm so happy. My husband enjoyed his birthday. I keep asking him, baby, how do you feel? He will tell me, look, I feel so good. I mean, I didn't want you to start calling people here and there, because that's what you want to. You would like to call people. You just want people around and all that. But I want you to rest and just enjoy yourself in the midst of family, friends and loved ones. And honestly, guys, we really enjoyed it. We had different kind of food. You want to watch? This is corn. We had pia, ube. I missed the ube actually, but I had a little granite. Yeah, and we enjoyed ourselves for real. It was really fun. We had akara. I ate that akara. coconuts, corn, you know, all those home food. It was a lot. This one is not my own, it's for somebody, but I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, look at Tube. Who can relate to Tube? Here they brought us jollof rice, steak, chicken wings. You all know I like chicken wings a lot. So they brought us some steak. What do they call this again? Roasted beef. I can't remember now, but it's steak though, but it's so delicious. Yeah, we really enjoyed it. We had fun. Children had their own moments, you know, they had fun, they enjoyed it. I mean, there was another moment where we the adults were running, you know, women were running, and it was so fun. Enjoy this video. The idea behind this is for family to get to know one another, and it's always very fun.
I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you all day. I need you. I want you.
I, for one, love family gathering. I love to meet families. I love to be around families, and it's a very good, moment that you all come together, even from far and near. You get to know that this is your sister, this is your brother. I mean, there's a feeling it gives to me. I really love things like this, you know, and we all live here in the diaspora. I mean, there should be time for us to get to meet each other and have fun. You know, release stress, chat with one another. Yeah, we can even help each other in any good thing. Maybe your child is graduating, your daughter is getting married, stuff like that, you know. Like I tell people, family is everything for me. My husband had fun. That was a major thing for me. You know, my husband is such a very quiet person. He loves family a lot. He's a family-oriented person. And anytime he's around family, loved ones, I mean, he feels so delighted. And here, there are so many of them that went to school with my husband. They went to the same school. And, you know, my husband met a lot of them. Even some of them that didn't come called him. It was a good feeling for him. You know, it was a good moment for him. There's nothing like family. I will always say that family is everything. And for me, I don't know what you think. Do you think it's good to get to meet with family? Do you think it's good to just be on your own? I know sometimes some things will happen and you'll be like, look, I don't even want anybody around me. But honestly, sometimes we all need each other. I still think sometimes we need each other, you know. So we really had fun.
break it, you bought it. Good night. Did you get ready in the dark or something? Because you look like a beautiful nightmare.
Our children were really having fun. I do not want you to claim or copyright claim or whatever kind of trouble from YouTube.
Judge me.
That's why I just left it mute, because the kind of music that we're playing here, oh my goodness, there were lovely musics of Mercy Chinwe and all the rest of them, guys. Trust me, it was just a pleasant place to be around. You know, it's a pleasant place to be. With all of those musics, they were sinking inside of me, and I was really enjoying myself. You guys see what I'm eating? That's a bye-bye package. I'm enjoying this. This is so good. Steak ribs. Steak ribs. We are going back to our family house. I just want to end up this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's our family picnic video. Thank you. Which is to be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. I'll see you in our next video. Ciao, ciao.